talk about a few things park related. First is the 10 Anderson splash pad. We turned on the water last week and people are already enjoying the improvements, but we will celebrate the official opening of the 10 Anderson splash pad and park renovations. There will be a ribbon cutting at 11 a.m. July 1st, and then a party at the park with free snow cones, hot dogs, chips, games, and giveaways, and more. This $1 million project included construction of a splash pad, restroom, and the planting of additional trees. Also, work included repairing and replacing existing sidewalks throughout the park to improve safety and accessibility of the space. And as a companion to this project, the entire play structure at the playground area has been remodeled. The new facility provides a new play structure and safety surfacing. Synthetic turf has replaced the wood chips that were previously used for safety resurfacing. It's all part of an ongoing effort to invest in our park systems, looking for ways to bring diverse attractions and options to our residents. Stephenson Park, we had that grand opening about a month or two ago. It's another successful project. Already, the new park is a very popular place for our residents and visitors. And Parks has added an additional attraction. The summer concerts in the park series now will be featured at the new amphitheater setting there at the park. The first concert at Stephenson Park was May 23rd. With a good turnout, the concert series will take place each Thursday through July 24th, except this Thursday and July 4th. The shows are scheduled to start at 6 p.m. and should end around 8:30. Information on each week's show can be found on the park concert in the park website, on the city's website, or in the park's Facebook event page. Residents looking to enjoy a little live music are encouraged to bring their chairs, blankets, or something to sit on. We would love for you to visit an area restaurant for your concert meal and maybe ice cream afterwards and bring it to the park. The picnic is always a fun time, and we encourage people to be mindful of picking up their trash and food after they're done. Lastly, just a note about our busy parks. We should note that last month, Arcadia Lake had one of its busiest weekends, if not the busiest weekend ever. More than 5,500 vehicles entered the Arcadia Lake for the Memorial Day weekend, compared to a count of more than 3,100 on Memorial Day in 2023. And those are just the day-use vehicle counts, which do not include camping totals. As we look forward to the further development at the lake with the guidance of the ambitious master plan for the lake, it's just another example of why we value and continue to look at ways of bringing more and more value to the park we have in Edmond. And lastly, I want to provide a Citylink update. This week, Citylink Edmond riders gained a new tool to use, a tracking mobile app from Passio Go that passengers can download a smartphone to view arrival times and shuttle locations in real time. With this technology upgrade, riders can access information about their individual routes, schedules, and stops. Riders can also set shuttle arrival alerts and tag favorites, saving time and reducing wait times at shuttle stops. Additional alerts for route changes or delays serve to keep all riders informed. You can find that app on Google Play or on the App Store. And lastly, also beginning July 1st, Citylink will begin serving the Edmond Senior Center at Mitch Park. This service is available to current Citylink Access Paratransit Services, or CAPS, clients, as well as residents that are not currently a CAP client and are wanting transportation to Mitch Park. Passengers interested in the service can call to begin scheduling those trips to the Senior Center. To sign up for this service, residents can call the Citylink office at 405-509-6370. And that's it, Mayor.